What's up, guys? Dave here with the Honda GoldWing 1800 and the Crankcase breather tube. It's the left side of the bike. You remove the lower half cover. Good time to do this is, if you're doing a spark plug change. So you just remove that with the 5mm. Got a couple of 5mm to take off right there. This half comes off of this tube right here. Little rubber tube. Get you a little drain pan, and it varies, depending on your riding conditions. If you ride in a lot of wet conditions or hard throttle or a lot of high speed riding, you might have some fluid in this tube right up in here. So just take you a pair of pliers, remove the little spring clamp. See the little spring clamp right up in there. Just slide it up a bit. Now, it may be difficult because if this plug's never been removed, it may be difficult to remove. So you may have to hold on to it with a pair of pliers. You hold on to the tubing, and then you may need another wrench, to grab a hold of this little plug right here. And just grab a hold of it and loosen it off. It is a little bit stiff, a little tight. Now it's about to possibly drain out of there, so get ready. But it may not. It really depends on your riding conditions. Nothing comes out of this one, so that's good. Some dirt bikes, like some Honda dirt bikes, have that, and you'll see fluid come pouring out of there. But motocross bikes are often ridden a lot harder than street bikes. And then just pull the spring clamp back in place. All there is to it. Put your cover back on right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure the bolts with the little beveling right there are for the lower 3, where the little rubber. Get this right here. These big guys on the bottom, and then it's just 5mm, 6mm. My bad. 6mm Allen, and just put them on gently. Like evenly, put them in place. So start from the top. Gently right there. So wait until they're all in place before you start to tighten them down. So just screw them on just a little bit at first. We did a few other videos on this, working on this bike. Oil change, spark plug change. We're going to do the final drive fluid. We're just giving it, just a good old-fashioned servicing. And this bike's pretty easy to work on, actually. So if you check out our other videos, if you have any issues with it, the regular owner's manual actually has everything in there for you. So we're just going in a crisscross pattern here. And don't forget that there's little rubber plugs inside the hex of each one that you got to pry out with a little pick. So don't forget those, when you go to put them back on. That's good for absorbing vibration, those little plugs. Like so. And that's that. So yeah, just doing some service to this 2012 GoldWing. It's a GL1800, but this applies to all kinds of GoldWings, from the early 2000s on up. But we do other bikes as well, as far as working on them and restoring them and riding them and things like that. So check out our other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff y'all might like. Working on cars and stuff around the house and outdoor equipment, lawnmowers and stuff like that. So a little bit of everything we'll work on. And if we have a video that we think may help people out, we post it online. We also have 2 YouTube channels, Facebook page, Amazon store, eBay store. So just Google Horsepower House. And we sell all kinds of parts and tools, mostly for power sport equipment, motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, dirt bikes, stuff like that. So have a look. You might find some stuff that y'all might like. And this is Dave signing off, East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia, on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Y'all have a great day.